Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you famous yet scenic rail routes in India. From the southmost tip of India to the highest Himalayan mountains, traveling through paddy fields, tea coffee plantations, high hills, forests and snow. We have picked routes which gives you breathtaking views all the way. For such more content, do subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. First is Kalka Shimla Railway, located in the north region of India and travels through a mostly mountainous route from Kalka to Shimla. In 2008, Kalka Shimla Railway is added into the UNESCO World Heritage Site. The route is known for dramatic views of the hills, which connects the Indian plains to the Queen of Hills, Shimla. Construction was completed in 1903 and becomes India's most incredible accomplishment of engineering, covering a stunning 102 tunnels, 864 bridges and 919 staggering curves. Second is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. This train runs between New Jalpaiguri and Ghum at Darjeeling in the state of West Bengal. It climbs to about 7,218 feet at Darjeeling, using 6 zigzags and 5 loops to gain altitude. To complete the whole route, you require around the entire day. Although short joyride between Darjeeling and Ghum is the main attraction amongst tourists because they run on a historic steam engine. Third is Kangra Valley Railway. This train runs from Pathankot, Punjab to Joginder Nagar in Himachal Pradesh. The highest point on this line is Aju Hill Station at an elevation of 4,230 feet. The Kangra Valley Railway to Dharamshala crosses extremely difficult mountain terrain, crosses over 993 bridges, runs through 2 tunnels and goes through 484 curves. The Kangra Valley is one of the most picturesque valleys of the Himalayas. The valley covered by the glorious Dhauladhar Range. Fourth is Nilgiri Mountain Railway. This route runs between Mettupalayam and Ugadamandalam. Since the train started in 1908, people have been travelling through this railway to experience the unique journey of Ooty. The railway slowly ascends the Nilgiri hills, moving through tunnels and curves, offering its passengers a ride they would remember for a lifetime. The remarkable route that makes its way through the beautiful mountains from Ooty to Mettupalayam. Nilgiri Mountain Railway also designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Fifth is Mathiran Hill Railway. This route runs between Nerar and Mathiran in the Western Ghats. The train is century-old hilly railway that carries passengers amongst the shady greenery of the peaceful and pollution-free hill station of Mathiran, where vehicles are completely banned. The toy train completes journey in a zigzag manner up to the hill from Nerar to Mathiran due to the steep slope which goes up to more than 2600 feet above sea level. It takes over 2 hours to cover the distance. Sixth is Konkan Railway. On the route between Mumbai and Goa, it passes through most stunning scenic spots. This route goes the beautiful Western Ghats and has numerous tunnels and bridges with over hundreds of streams and rivers. The monsoon is best to experience real beauty through the route. You can also see clouds floating at the level of the train, making the ride more heavenly. It is literally a visual treat to travel by this route. Seventh is Dudhsagar Railroad. On this route from Vasco da Gama to Londa, the primary attraction is the Dudhsagar waterfall, which is the dream of many travelers. The train passes through forests and hills, passing peaks and valleys of the Western Ghats. But as the highlight of this ride is when you get to see long wide view of Dudhsagar Falls. Accessible only by train or on foot, Dudhsagar is one of the finest and most flawless piece from nature's collection. The railway track is the perfect viewpoint to experience this beauty, and the view is immersive as the vapor rising from the breezy water forms cloud. Eighth is Pamban Bridge. This bridge is between Mandapam and Dhanushkodi or Rameshwaram, which connects Rameshwaram Island to the mainland. The bridge was opened for traffic in 1914 with a meter gauge single line. This is the second longest sea bridge in India after the Bandra Valley ceiling. It is one of the engineering marvel. Ninth is Tuas Hoyat. This route is between Siliguri and Alipurduar. The train passes through rivers like Tista and Sankosh coming from the Himalayas. Also train crosses 3 major sanctuaries, Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary, Chapramari Forest and Buksa Tiger Reserve. You can encounter a wide variety of flora and fauna along this picturesque route. When the train passes through forest area, there is high probability of viewing herds of elephants, deers, monkeys and birds. If you are really in luck, you might view a leopard or tiger from the window seat. It takes around 4 to 5 hours to complete this journey. 10th is Desert Voyage. On the route between Jodhpur to Jaisalmer, this is one of the unique journey. You will experience typical desert landscapes, yellow soil, dunes, grazing camels, and settlement of the desert inhabitants. Sunrise of the desert is one of the most experienced things on this journey. The journey takes 6 hours to complete, and this train runs from November to March only. 11th is Arku Valley. This route is between Visakhapatnam and Arku Valley. This train line passes through 84 bridges and 58 tunnels. After crossing two small stations, the train starts climbing up the hill through tunnels and bridges. On the way, small and big waterfalls can be seen. The green valley and river combination gives a spectacular view from the train. The route was built in 1958 to transport iron ore from Chhattisgarh to the port of Visakhapatnam, and before Bora Guhalu station, the train runs above the famous Bora Caves. 12th is Mumbai-Pune route. This is one of the well-known route in Central Railway and provides the best experience when the train left Karjat station because it starts to climb to cross Khandala Ghat for reaching Lonavala. In monsoon, this journey gives the best experience. There are multiple waterfalls on this route along with lush greenery around. At some points, train get covered in clouds because of height. Also, there are multiple tunnels on the route with deep valleys of Sahyadri mountains. To cross steep climb of Khandala Ghat, a total 3 locomotives pull a train and 1 locomotive pushes the train from the back. Thank you for watching this video. If you know such more routes, let us know in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, do hit like, share and subscribe.